Costing in rhinoplasty, this typically is dependent on the nature of surgery. Now, in our previous videos, we have shown you what exactly goes into rhinoplasty. It can be a simple tip work, or it can range from the entire correction of the entire nose, which corrects the architecture, which corrects the bridge, which corrects the alar base, and which also addresses the functional problem. So it can range from very minimal surgery to an extensive surgery. Now the cost is actually dependent on how much of work goes into a rhinoplasty, what is going to be the length of the stay, how complex is the nature of the surgery. So all this depends, and even depends on where you're getting this done. If you're getting it done in a let's say in a nursing home or a place where the overheads are not much, a cost of rhinoplasty could be considerably less, vis-a-vis a place where you're going to a corporate hospital where the overheads are much higher. Now you'll also have to look into the safety of a particular place. So generally what happens is the corporate hospitals, the safety mechanisms, the team works, the critical care, everything is working for the patient. So when such infrastructure is being thrown in for the patient, the costs are bound to shoot up. So it's a general rule that once you choose your hospital can be a nursing home kind of a setup, or it can also be a standalone private hospital which is being owned by a particular surgeon or a doctor. So these are the kind of setups where the overheads are less, and you can expect the rhinoplasty surgery to be cheaper. The same thing if it's being operated in a corporate hospital or the other bigger hospitals, there the cost can be significantly more. Now typically a tip plasty or a single procedure or something which is less complex can range from 50,000 to around 80,000 depending on the hospital setup. Now this is for all non-complex surgeries and straightforward surgeries, but for correcting the entire nose and for doing an entire internal correction, the range can be from 1 lakh to 1.5 lakhs, or it can even go up to around 2 lakhs.